Hello and welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest health and wellness tips to help you live a healthier life. In today's video, we're going to be discussing the weight loss benefits of avocado seeds that you may not have been aware of. What are avocado seeds? Before we dive into the weight loss benefits of avocado seeds, let's first take a look at what they are. Avocado seeds, also known as pits or stones, are the hard, round objects found in the center of an avocado. They are often discarded and considered waste, but in reality, they contain several valuable nutrients and compounds that can benefit your health. The weight loss benefits of avocado seeds. Now, let's get to the main topic of this video, the weight loss benefits of avocado seeds. First of all, avocado seeds contain dietary fiber, which is essential for weight loss. Fiber helps keep you feeling full and satisfied, reducing your overall calorie intake and preventing overeating. Secondly, avocado seeds contain compounds called flavonoids, which have been shown to have weight loss properties. These compounds can help increase your metabolic rate, which means your body will burn more calories even when you're at rest. In addition, avocado seeds contain oleic acid, which is a healthy monounsaturated fat that can help reduce appetite and promote weight loss. This type of fat is also found in avocados themselves, which is why they are often recommended for weight loss. How to prepare and consume avocado seeds. Now that you know about the weight loss benefits of avocado seeds, you may be wondering how to prepare and consume them. First of all, it's important to properly wash and dry the seeds before consuming them. Then, grind them into a fine powder using a blender or food processor. You can add the avocado seed powder to smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt, or even use it as a seasoning for salads or other dishes. However, it's important to consume avocado seeds in moderation and not to overdo it, as they can be difficult to digest and may cause gastrointestinal discomfort if consumed in excess. Avocado seeds are a valuable source of nutrients and compounds that can benefit your health, including weight loss. By incorporating avocado seed powder into your diet, you can enjoy the weight loss benefits of these powerful seeds. As always, be sure to consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and to give us comment.